logic, and so on. Bakit? Because kita mo na ang bata ay may natutunan. Sabi nga, the children are just learning skills, but more importantly, life skills. By me. Thank you. Okay. Now, first, we are going to... pakipatay mo.
Masakit sa mata eh.
Sisilaw, asang araw pakita. Okay. First, we are going to show the video. Ay, ayoko.
Ayaw mo yun.
Sige, Allentina.
Ayoko na. Maglalansahan lang ka. Alright, so first I'm going to... Okay, seryoso na. So first I'm going to show to you the kinds of tools and equipment that is encountered when cutting vegetables. So, in a regular knife set, there are 3 kinds of knives. These are 1. The chef's knife, filleting knife, and the paring knife. Now there are other numerous knives, obviously, but the basic knives are these 3. Now for this for demo purposes today, I will be using the chef's knife, which is this one. Now, in the kitchen setup, we are supposed to pull this to the side with the blade facing backwards. Why? This prevents any accidents from happening. For example, if you were to walk like that and stuff like that, this position prevents any accidents from happening. Alright, so I'm just going to put that down there. Now, first we are going to do the julienne. Now, how do you do this? First, we need to peel the carrot. Now, there is a technique when peeling carrots. You get the tip and put the broad side at the, on top of the chopping board. Smooth strokes. This ensures that whatever it is that you're peeling, you protect yourself as well. So you reverse it. Alright. So guys, please feel free to ask any questions that you might have. I'll just tidy up. Let me just get my trash bag. Alright, so obviously part of preparation is waste management. Where do you put your waste? So you should always have a trash can ready so that you do not make your station messy. So this here. Alright, so now we have the peeled carrot. Now first we're going to prepare this by removing the end part. This is usually used for soups, stocks, and sauces. Now, soups rather, or stocks. Now, why? Because these are end parts. We don't want to see this on, what do you call this, the main dish, because it is unsightly. So we're going to put that there. We're going to cut this into half. Sorry. The chopping board is so yeah. It's a bit bouncy. Alright, usually in the kitchen setup, the work area is a bit taller. It should come to the waist. So this is a little low for me. Alright, so basically this is about 2 inches, as you can see. Roughly this is about 2 inches. So first we're going to cut the end so that we have a stable base. Now we're going to cut this into a square. So this makes it easier for cutting. Now, actually, I heard that, and there are no leftovers with this kind of technique. Why? Because you can use the ends for other dishes as well, which I will get to once I show you what fine julienne looks like. So, fine julienne is about this thick. Now that we have that, it is about this thing. This is a sheet, a slice of carrot. Now, why do we have to do this systematically? So that we get even cuts. Now, even cuts mean even cooking. So, we're going to stack this and then cut. As you can see, we now have fine julienne. And as you can see, it is square.
Yes.
See? So why do we need to do this? So that even cuts produce uniform dishes. Those uneven cuts promote uneven cooking. You do not want to have a bite of, in the same bite there are raw vegetables and cooked vegetables in one bite. You want it to always be even, uniform cooking. Alright, so as we have seen, now from fine julienne, we now get fine brunoise. Now, as I've said a while ago, fine brunoise is a French term for 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 small cubes. Now, why is this important? There are some dishes that require cuts that are that small, and these are used for dishes such as shomai and stuff like that require minimal cooking but adds color. So as you can see, now we have fine brunoise from fine julienne. Now, as I've said a while ago, it is important that you also be careful in the kitchen because accidents do happen, but with proper technique and presence of mind, you will avoid any accidents. Alright, so now we go to the rondelle cut or circle cuts. Also ovals. Now, as I said, we're going to peel the vegetable. First, we're going to start with the tip, hold the tip, and place the end broad part on top of the chopping board. And as we do it, we eat. One smooth stroke. Reverse it. Now usually, this is done to remove any excess possible dirt that was not taken out of while washing the vegetables.